Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change the battery in a Subaru Outback Fob. Use a flat tool to pry open the seam, remove the old battery, and note orientation. Swap in a CR 2032 battery, ensuring the plus side faces up, then snap the case closed and test the buttons near the car. If buttons are unresponsive, reseat the battery and check for debris. This is a fast, simple fix you can do yourself. Gather a small flat screwdriver or plastic pry tool and a CR 2032 battery before you start. Work on a clean surface and keep small parts contained so nothing disappears. Wear gloves or handle the new battery by the edges to avoid oils that reduce life. Have your key programming procedure ready in case the fob needs resyncing. Take your time and keep a phone handy for reference photos. This prep makes the swap quick and stress-free. Quick recommendation: if you like a fresh ride after wrenching on your key, grab Little Tree's Black Ice for steady scent and no overpowering chemicals. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Check the description for the product link and other deals to save time and money. Small comforts make car chores better, and that's my lighthearted pick for today. Now let's get back to the video. Start by removing the mechanical key, then pry the fob open along the seam using gentle pressure. Remove the old battery carefully and note the plus orientation. Insert the new CR 2032 with the plus side facing up, then press the halves together until they click. Test lock, unlock, and panic functions from a few feet away. If the fob fails, reopen to check battery seating and clean contacts with a dry cloth.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.